Yeah, it's kind of weird how we do that a lot. Yeah, it makes sense if to just, honestly go to the toilet, Fredster. But I can just poop myself and I'll be fine. Buddy, I'm 5 and I've learned to not poop myself. I've learned the consequences. Yeah, Yardy. He has learned the consequences because I teach him actions. But yeah, you just can't do that. Hey guys. Hello. Oh, sorry guys, I have the hiccups. Oh yeah. Remember that story you told me? What story? Yar, about the dying hiccups. Oh yeah. Okay guys, when I was younger, I was walking on the streets and then I got the hiccups. And then what happened is that I just went crazy. I wanted water. So then I went crazy saying I want water in a weird tone. I want water. As I just went crazy and kept on saying, wabble, 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 and so yeah. Are you sure it won't happen again, Bunny? Possibly. I'm probably sure that won't happen again, because it's just probably won't. And I've learned to not always do stuff like that. But yeah. I'm really thirsty right now. I'm gonna go get some water. Okay guys, so I've been through this and it's not good. What do you mean, Puppet? It's not good. He just, no matter if he gets water, he goes crazy. So either we have to start hiding or yeah. Ba, 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 ba. Uh-oh, we gotta hide, guys. We gotta hide. Wah-boo-boo! Oh, crap! Help me! Uh-oh, guys, Yar, come on. Alright, go down here. Okay, I got you, Chica. Freddy, I'm manly enough to do it myself. Come on, Froggy. Froggy! Papa, just calm down. Okay. Oh. No. Wobble. Stop. Okay, guys. So, what do we do down here? I want to go in that hallway. Yeah, it's better not to go down that hallway. There's some stuff down there that you shouldn't see. Stuff that my eyes cannot see. or want to see. Well, that was awfully frightening. Yup. We can hear them upstairs. There's a ventilation shit right there. Wah-boo-boo! Wah-boo-boo-boo! Wah-boo-boo! Wah-boo-boo! Uh-oh. That's no good. Ah! Help me! Somebody help me! Please! I will do anything! Wah, boo, boo. There's a ventilation ship up there. Wah, boo, boo. Wah, boo, boo, boo. Wah, boo, boo. Wah, boo, boo. Oh, crap, everybody! Wait, help me! Oh no! Oh crap! Wobble. Wah, duck. Whack boo. Oh, guys, he's right there. Oh, crap, yard diddly do. I need to find a cure. I can find it. I promise you, I can find it. Where would that cure be? Maybe. Your guy's gonna have to fight him off. What? No! I gotta get down there. Where is this cure? Where is... Oh, there it is. You found it? Quick, get him. I got him. Get him. Okay, that's good. We got him. Yep, we got him. Now I just gotta fix all their bones. First, let's go with Liberty Cheek. Oh, I'm back to life. Thank you, Foxy. Oh, that hurt. Now for you, I need to do a special technique. Oh, I got all that gas out of me. I might be skinny for once. Nope, I'm not skinny. Oh, thank you guys. That really helped with, yeah, you know. Thank you.